Okay, so today we are working on problems 31 through 33. For this first one, we have Patrick Mahomes. We have our initial will be 500,000. Our rate, 7%. Compounded quarterly, so that's our N. And our A is 7 million. So when we plug that in, we have 7 million equals the 500,000. And we'll have the 1 plus our rate over our compounded to the 4t. So we'll divide by the 500 or the 500,000. I need that extra zero there. Yeah, extra zero there. Yeah, we're good. Okay, and then so we'll have 14 equals the 1 plus 0.07 over 4t. We do our log snail. We'll have log of 1.0175 of 14 equals 4t. So when we do our change of base, we'll have log of 14 over 4 times the log of 1.0175 equals t, and that's going to equal 38 years. For problem 32, we are...
Will the B hallway please head down?
Okay, as I was saying, for problem 32, we have two logs of the same base. We are adding them. So that means we're going to use the addition property. We'll say log base 4 of our x times our x plus 6, so x squared plus 6x equals 2. We'll do our log snail. We'll bring this over, so we have x squared plus 6x minus 16 equals 0. We're going to factor this, so we'll have x plus 8, x minus 2. So x is going to equal either negative 8 or x will equal 2. For problem 33, we need to get everything to the same base. So our smallest base is 2. So we'll have 2 to the third, 2x minus 1, times 2 to the negative 2, negative 3x plus 2, equals 2 to the 5x, times 2 to the fourth, 3x minus 5. When we add these all together and distribute everything out,
Everyone else who has not been called.
as I was saying, when we distribute and then add our exponents together, we'll have 2 to the 12x minus 7 equals 2 to the 17x minus 20. Because we have the same base, we can make our exponents equal each other. So we'll say 12x minus 7 equals 17x minus 20. We'll subtract the 12, add the 20, and we'll have 13 equals 5x. So x is going to equal 13 over 5. That is tonight's homework. If you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good night. Sorry about the bell going off there.